Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Ilco number 861D 10B aluminum collar in an oil-rubbed bronze finish. So this is just simply a straight cylinder collar is what it is, and this is the 1/8 of an inch thickness. And let's take some dimensional properties of the item. The 861 means that it is in the family of cylinder collars from Kaba Ilco. The D in the part number tells us the thickness. My caliper tells me this is 0.127, so it's 1/8 of an inch. Okay, a couple of other basic dimensional properties since we are measuring it. Sometimes people ask. The outside dimension, 1.396. 1.396 on the outside. The inside dimension, 1.176. 1.176 is the inside dimension. Okay. Now, why would you use this? Well, you're just simply picking up or filling the space from the underside of the head of the cylinder. I happen to have a cylinder here. Well, that's interesting. This client ordered black on the cylinder face, and the collar they ordered is oil rubbed. I'm going to have to check if that's what they had in mind. Doesn't match. We'll find out. The point of the matter is it's there to take up the distance from the underside of the head of the cylinder. Okay, and what you're going to notice is that it's slightly larger. That's actually by design. The reason that is by design is because in an attempt to attack the head of the cylinder, the wrench that the thief, vandal, cretin is using will hit the cylinder collar first. Okay, this is when it's installed. While it's not meant to rattle on the door, it's meant to be loose to where it can turn or rotate. So when you put that wrench on there and try to spin, yeah, it's not gonna, you know, do any good because it's just spinning at that point. And that's the purpose of this cylinder collar, part 2. Filling that space cosmetically, absolutely. You may not have the proper length of cylinder for what your physical requirements are. You might be doing an aluminum storefront, very common, front of a grocery store, you know, sliding automatic doors by Besom, Stanley, Horton, Record, Tormax, Gyrotech, you know, on and on. But they've got a 7-pin small format core on the outside. Well, that cylinder is going to be 1 3/8 for sure, but the application really could use just a 1-inch mortise cylinder. So you're going to use a cylinder collar is the point of that. 1/8 of an inch like this, very likely just an aluminum storefront. They ordered a 1-inch length cylinder. Forgive me, that's an 1 1/8 cylinder. Where they probably require a 15/16 or a 1-inch cylinder. You're going to need to fill that space. So when you're ordering a cylinder, it's immediately important to say, okay, what collar do I need? You're going to need a collar in almost all instances. And this is just a solid flat collar, straight solid flat collar. There's a link below this video to a document called Technical Drawing that will allow us to review. It's a internal document from Kaba Ilco that they shared with me. Just gives you some dimensional properties. You know, that's really all. There is a reference to a chamfer, and there is a very small chamfer. A chamfer is basically a break on the edge of something. If you took a wood door and chamfered the stiles, you'd be breaking the edges. These edges are broke as well. You can't really see that, but it's referred to in the technical drawing. Then down below, there's a large chart that shows several and many of the other sizes that are listed. You'll notice that the letter is what designates. It designates the thickness, but also the type. An A is a certain type. An 861A is a different cylinder collar than just a straight one. But in the realm of the straight collars, you'll go from C through T to change the thickness of that collar. Okay. Other tapered collars, nice extended description down below there as well. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Kaba Ilco products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog and other catalogs such as their key blank catalog. Several catalogs on key machines are there, and their brass cylinder catalog as well. Any questions on the 861D trim ring or any other Kaba Ilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.